more match or one more board, you open the game, and everything is already waiting for you. The rules, the resources, the reward. One click, then another, and the world responds. But somewhere behind that window, a blank schematic is waiting too, quietly, patiently, not asking you to win, only asking what you could create. A castle made of pixels, or a board you may one day hold between your fingers. Cold copper, smooth fiberglass, your traces, your code, your decisions. Games give pleasure quickly. Creating makes you wait, a little tension, a little resistance, then success. And for one quiet second, the machine understands you because you taught it how. So maybe you play first, one match, one breath, and notice which window makes you lean a little closer. Maybe tonight we build. Stay curious, darling. The next little machine is waiting for your touch.